Hello, assalamu alaikum. So in the last video we checked out the fields that N8N HTTP request node offers us in order to execute an API request. We just checked out the fields, but today we are going to actually send a API request and will receive a response from it. So I have from my ChatGPT retrieved a sample API which gives us sample data in order to test whether the API is working or not. So the get method, and we have also selected the get method. The HTTP request here, okay. This will be till here. The URL will be till posts, okay. And then we will, the user ID is a query parameter. We will add it into here. User ID is equal to 1, and we'll also be giving some headers as they have given us. Content type is equal to application dot hash JSON. That means we want our data to be received as JSON format. We'll talk about JSON later. Xtext header, another parameter I want to add, or the value of it is N8N dem. Now the example response will be like this. So let's check out how we are getting the data, how we are getting the response in answer of this request. Hooray! We have here got a response from this server JSON placeholder.type icode.com. It has given us the information about the first user, which we had answered in the query parameters using the parameters user ID is equal to 1. So its title is this, its body is this, title is this, body is this. There are several items, 10 items. There are 10 items with user ID 1. All of them have been sent to us. So this is a response